I'm just going to show you here what we did with the switches. So we made this into a 2-gang box. All your copper wires, they go right to the box. They're little screws. Each of those need to be bonded to the box. And then you snip them because our switches don't need grounds. We got all our whites are together here under one moret. Those are our neutrals. And then power we have coming, these 2 wires here are power. One is our feed. One goes to another circuit somewhere else. And then one set of living room pots and our other room pots are going on each other side of the switch. On this dimmer, we have the 3-way capped. I'll also show you something really neat about this switch. It's called a Caseta. It's a Lutron product. And it comes with a remote. So this one actually gets power. But then it comes with a remote that's this size. And you can put that remote in a different location. And it works just like a 3-way switch, so you can control your pot lights or pendant from here and from another location without running any extra wires. It saves you quite a bit of time and money in doing that. And then I'll show you how to program it. That doesn't take very long. So we're going to put our switches in the box here, and in just a minute we're going to turn the lights on and you'll see how all the pot lights look. Alright, we're just finishing here with the plate. And then we'll turn our pot lights on. So these 2 switches look a little different because one is a dimmer and one of them is the remote switch, which I'll just show you. Talks to a remote, and that lets you control your lights from a separate location. So here are our pots in here. You can see them dimming. And then our other pots in the living room that we showed you how to fish. We can just show you the switch here. This button will just turn them on, the top, and then we'll go off with the lower button. And this specific one actually dims as well. If you hold the middle buttons, it'll dim them lower, or you get the full light there. And then this is the remote that comes with it. So it looks pretty much the same as the switch. I'm going to show you how to pair your dimmer, again, Caseta Lutron. This is called the Pico remote. So the lights are on right now. This is working. You're going to hold the off button for 6 seconds until you see these little lights start flashing there. And then you're going to hold the off button on your remote for 6 seconds. And when they pair, your lights are going to dim on and off 3 times. And that means the remote is working. So we'll just let them do that. And now we can actually use our remote to turn them off. You can see them go off there, and then we'll use the remote to go back on. Perfect. And we can use this remote from pretty much anywhere in the house. The plate that it comes with, you can go ahead, it has a little sticky tab on the back. You take that off, stick it right on the wall, and then you can screw the plate right on top, and this just works like a switch anywhere else in your house. So that's it. Caseta Lutron is the product. You can find it at Home Hardware, Home Depot, electrical suppliers. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.